Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design a fire detection system by using the Arduino software and Arduino hardware. So in this project we will use MQ2 sensor which detect the fire, and there is some LCD also and SIM900A to send the message once the fire is detected. So before start the project I would like to tell you the flow of this project. So MQ2 sensor first, so whenever we start the whenever we give the power to our system, so first the project name will be displayed on the LCD, then after that it will display fire not detected because MQ2 sensor does not detect the fire. So once I put the fire in front of the MQ2 sensor, then smoke is detected by the MQ2 sensor and immediately light will be turned on and buzzer start ringing. Then after that GSM module should send the message to particular user number, that is fire detected inside his home. So this is the complete idea behind this project. So in this video we will see completely hardware connection, completely programming part of this project, how to design and develop the program. So I request you please watch this complete video so that you will get idea about each and everything about this project. So as you can see on the screen, we have the Arduino, we have the buzzer, then MQ2 sensor which detect the fire, then LCD to display the message, and LED for the status indication. So once I give the power to this Arduino, then this LED will turn on. At the starting you will see message fire detection system, that is our project name. Then fire is not detected because the fire is not detected by this MQ2 sensor, and this LED will turn off. So once I give the power to this Arduino, then you can see that message. And once I give the once the fire is detected by this MQ2 sensor, then red LED will turn on, buzzer turn on, and message will be received on this mobile number. So we will see that part. So first I give the power. Please focus on the LCD side. So first project name, then fire not detected because fire not detected by this MQ2 sensor. So once I give the fire, once I give the smoke to this MQ2 sensor, then message will be given on this mobile number. So currently I am giving the fire. So you can see red LED turn on, fire detected, and sending the message on this LCD, and wait for the message received by you can see message received by on this mobile number. So we will open the message. You can see continuously message giving, and we can open fire detected inside home, and this. So this is the complete idea behind this project. Now we will see the hardware connection of this project, and later we will see the programming part of this project. So before start the next part, I request you please subscribe my channel. Currently you can see I have 1446 subscriber and 3710 watch hour. So to verify my channel on the YouTube, I require 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour. So with your support this criteria also completed, only this criteria remaining. So I request you please watch my complete videos, so this criteria will be easily completed. So once you click on the subscribe button, you can see it is not beneficial for me also, it is also beneficial for you, because I have uploaded more than 51 video on the Raspberry Pi. Then currently I am working on the Arduino project also. There are some Python project I have uploaded. So if you want to learn the Raspberry Pi Arduino Python language from me, you should subscribe my channel and you will learn all the thing in freely. So please support me, please click on the subscribe button and please watch my complete video. Now we will see the importance of each and every line from the code. So before start the code, I would like to tell you you require the Arduino software in your laptop to execute this program. And how to install the Arduino software in your laptop, I already explained in my this video, Proteus Simulation Accident and Alcohol Detection video. So please watch that video and you will get idea about how to install the Arduino software in your laptop. At least watch how to install the software in your laptop from from this video, so that you will get idea about. So first line is hash include liquid crystal.h. So basically if you want to use the LCD in your in your Raspberry in your Arduino circuit, then you require this package. Then later part is we have defined here the pin number that we are using for the LCD. So first pin defined as a RS pin, then enable pin, then D4, D5, D6 and D7. So first in hardware connection, we will see the RS pin of this LCD will be connected to Arduino pin 4 number pin. Then enable pin of this LCD should be connected to 5 number pin of Arduino. Then D4 pin of LCD should be connected to 6 number pin. then sorry, D4 pin, then D5 pin, then D6 and D7 pin respectively connected to 6, 7, 8, 9 pin of Arduino. So we define here the LCD pin connection for the Arduino. Next is buzzer pin should be connected to 11 number, then red pin, that is red LED pin, should be connected to 12 number, then gas sensor output pin should be connected to 10 number. So whatever the circuit diagram, circuit connection pin we define here. Now next line is fire status. So whenever the MQ2 sensor detects some fire, they detect some smoke, then that status need to be saved into one variable, so that we define that variable here. So next loop is void setup loop. So basically whatever the initial condition, whatever the initial configuration for this project, we will define in this loop. So first line is serial beginning 9600. So whenever you want to declare any baud rate to for the GSM functionality, that baud rate is defined here. So we are using baud rate is 9600, so that I have defined the serial combination baud rate here. Now the next line is we have to define the input output pins. So whatever the pins we have used in the code, that should be defined as the input or output. So buzzer pin as output pin, then red LED pin as output, and gas sensor pin as the input. So how to define? There is one function, pin mode function, and in that pin mode we have to pass the pin number and input and output. So pin number we have already defined here with this variable. So declare here only the variable name and input and output for that functionality. So we define the input output functionality of this project. Now we define the what is the size of LCD. So size is 16 by 2. So define here 16 by 2 size. Then after that we have to print the fire detection system on the LCD, so that to print any message on the LCD we will use this function lcd.print, and then whatever the message you want to print on the LCD. Then LCD set cursor 02 means on the second second row, zeroth column, define print system. So on the first row we define this one, on the second row we define this one. Now some delay, then after that we have to turn off the red LED and buzzer at the starting. So to turn off any buzzer and red LED or any GPIO pin, we have to use this function digital write, then pin number, and then low or high. To turn on we have to pass high, digital writes the pin number, then low and high. So at the starting we have to stop the LED, stop the buzzer. So to stop the buzzer LED we have to send the low signal with this function. Now the while loop. So whatever the code inside the while loop will execute infinite number of time. So first line is digital read gas sensor. So whenever you want to read any digital signal which is received on the Arduino board, that signal can be read by using this function digital read, and then pass the pin name here. So digital read gas sensor. So whatever the output from the gas sensor will be stored into the fire status variable. So if the fire status variable is low, that means the gas is detected. So if the gas is detected, then we have to turn on the buzzer. So how to turn on the buzzer? Digital write, then buzzer pin high, and turn on the red LED. So how to turn on a red LED? Digital write red LED to the high. So in this way we will start buzzer and start the LED. Then after that some delay, then LCD clear, then we have to print message on the LCD, fire detected, sending message. So with this line we are printing the message on the LCD. Then while one. So whatever while one means, after this one continuously message will be sent on the respective user mobile number. So how to send the message? Just go into inside this function void send function message, and then after that we are sending the AT command on GSM model. To how to send AT command on GSM model, we have connected the GSM receiver pin, that is SIM900 model receiver pin on Arduino TX pin. So to send the data from the Arduino to GSM model, we have to use serial.println function, then first AT command, then second AT command, then whatever the message you want to send on this line, this is the message, and then end of that AT command. And you can change your mobile number here. So this is my mobile number, you can change your number here at this line. So I will put star here so that you can understand you have to change mobile number here only. Do not delete any single slash or any slash, only change the mobile number here so that your GSM will be work. Okay, so if fire is not detected, then else part will be execute, and the inside else part we have to print just fire not detected, then we have to turn off the buzzer and turn off the LED. So that's why this logic is here. So I think you understand the code. If you don't understand, please watch it again, you will definitely understand. As you can see on the screen, first there are many sensors, then we have to connect one by one sensor to Arduino. So first we will connect the LCD module with the Arduino. So LCD module having you can see I have created my own circuit by using the one circuit. So you can see whenever you buy the LCD on the Amazon or Flipkart, it is 16:2 LCD, and you will get only this LCD, not this circuit. So you have to create this circuit by yourself. So how I created this circuit, I will tell you. So now I am going to tell you how I created this circuit, 0PC circuit, by my own. So first of all, whenever you buy the LCD on the Amazon, you will get only this green LCD. You have to create this circuit by your own on 0PCB or on breadboard. So you can see the similar connection is here. So this is my main LCD. You can see 16:2. So there are 16 pins on this LCD. You can see 1 to 16. So first pin should be connected to ground directly, ground, and this is nothing but the 10K potentiometer. So you have to purchase 10K potentiometer. You can see this is the potentiometer you have to purchase. This potentiometer or any type of potentiometer which having the 10K value. You can also purchase this one also or this one also, any potentiometer, this one also. Basically each potentiometer having the 3 pins. You can see these 3 pins, these 3 pins. So first pin should be connected to the VCC of this potentiometer. Second pin is nothing but the middle one pin. You can see this one is middle one pin of potentiometer. So you can consider this one, this middle one pin of potentiometer, or this middle one pin of this potentiometer. So connect the middle one pin to the VEA pin, and the third pin of this potentiometer should be connected to ground. That's why VCC also connected to ground. Then VSS is nothing but the ground pin of LCD, that is the first pin. You can see this is the ground pin of LCD, this is my VCC pin of LCD, common ground and common VCC. And then you can see till this part all the pins are same. So and this part is nothing but the controller pins. You can replace any controller at this point. So if you want to connect D4 pin, D5 pin, you can take it from this one, this one, this one, this one, and this is nothing but these 3 pins. So and this resistor is nothing but this one resistor, 560 ohm resistor, and this pin is LED negative pin, that is 60 number, is connected to ground directly. So connected to ground here directly. So this is connection I made by using this circuit. So I hope you understand how I created this circuit. So once you can design this circuit till this point, you can see till this one and till this point. So you can directly connect any number of LCD pin, any LCD pin to any controller, and this represent the controller pin basically. So you can replace any controller at this point. Whenever you require Raspberry Pi also, you can require Arduino also, you can just do the plug and play. You can just do the plug and play with this circuit with this point. So this is common VCC point, this is common ground point, and this one is your input point which reflect this this pin basically. So once you created that circuit by using 0PC or 0PCB or a breadboard, then you have to connect VCC to common VCC. So first we take the common VCC and common ground from the Arduino to this point. So basically this is 0PCB again, and on this is 0PCB again, and on this 0PC there is buck strip. You can also use the breadboard for this, and I have connected common one buck strip as a common one. This is the one row is a common shorted. So this row act as a VCC, and second row is a common ground. So this complete row act as a common ground. You can also use the breadboard for this. There is no issue. So first you have to take the common VCC point from the Arduino. So 5 voltage from the Arduino should be connected here. So take the 5 volt first. So this is the 5 volt. You can see the print on the Arduino also, there is 5 volt. So I will take the 5 volt common. So why I am taking the common pin here, because all the sensor require 5 volt and Arduino has only one 5 volt, so that I have taken here common 5 volt. And the second pin I have to take the common ground. So I will take the common ground from the Arduino again. Okay, now you can see these 2 pin act as a common ground and common VCC. Now the next part is, first you have to connect the LCD module. So connect VCC point of this LCD, the common VCC point. So I will take one female to female connector. So one female connector should be connected here, and this is the VCC point, so that I will connect the common VCC point to the common VCC point of Arduino. Okay, so these two connection we have did till now, common VCC to common VCC, then ground to ground. Now next part is we have to connect the input pins of this LCD that I already explained in the video. So first pin is RS pin. So RS pin of this LCD should be connected to 4 pin of Arduino. So take the 4 pin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So connect RS pin to the 4 number pin of Arduino. Now the next pin you have to connect the enable pin from this LCD, that is second number pin from this buck strip. So this is the enable pin, and this should be connected to 5 number pin of Arduino. So connect enable pin to 5 number pin of Arduino. The next pin is D4 pin of this LCD should be connected to 6 number pin of Arduino. So connect the D4 pin, should be connected to 6 number pin of Arduino. Now the next pin is D5 pin of LCD should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino. So connect a D5 pin, should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino. Now D6 pin of LCD should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. So connect the D6 pin of LCD. So D6 pin should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. Then after that D7 pin of LCD should be connected to 9 number pin of Arduino. So D7 pin should be connected to 9 number pin of Arduino. Okay, so in this way we completed the LCD connection with Arduino. I hope you understand. Now the next part is we have to connect the MQ2 sensor with Arduino. So basically when you purchase the MQ2 sensor on from the Amazon or from the Flipkart, then this MQ2 sensor you will receive, and you can see on the screen MQ2 sensor having the 4 pin VCC, ground, DA0 and analog out. So in our project we will use 3 pins, VCC, ground and digital out pin. And this potentiometer you have to adjust so that the sensitivity of the MQ2 sensor can be adjusted easily. So first connect the VCC pin, that is this pin, to common VCC point again. So I will take one pin, male to female pin, and connect the VCC pin here, and this VCC pin should be connected to common VCC pin of our circuit. So this is our common VCC pin, and this should be connected here. So connect the common VCC to common VCC point. Sorry, this one is common VCC pin. Okay, now next part is you have to connect the ground pin of MQ2 sensor to ground pin of common ground pin. So select the common, first connect the ground pin of MQ2 sensor, this one, and this should be connected to common ground pin. So I will take the common ground pin here and connect it here. So next part is D out pin of MQ2 sensor should be connected to 10 number pin of Arduino. So connect the D out pin of MQ2 sensor, this one, and connect should be 10 number pin of Arduino. So 9, and then this is the 10 number pin of Arduino. Okay, so in this way MQ2 sensor circuit with Arduino is completed. Now the next is buzzer circuit. Whenever you buy the buzzer circuit, you will get 2 pins with this buzzer circuit. One is ground pin and one is positive pin. So first you have to connect the common ground pin of this buzzer to common ground pin of our circuit. So first connect the common ground pin to common ground pin. So I will connect here. So this is my common ground pin. Now the next part is another point of buzzer is this one. This is the positive pin of buzzer, and this should be connected to Arduino pin. So Arduino 11 number pin should be connected this positive point. So connect this positive point of buzzer to Arduino 11 number pin. Okay, so in this way the buzzer part also completed. Now the next part is LED part. So you can see on this 0 PCB, I have created this circuit. Is simple circuit, LED having 2 pin, positive and negative. So one positive side there is one resistor for the voltage regulation. So you can use this resistor as a 500 ampere or 1 ampere also, and connect this resistor next point to the positive point of this LED, and the negative point of LED should be connected to ground. So this is very simple circuit. One point of LED is connected to one point of so this is very simple circuit. You can see one point of LED should be connected to one point of resistor, and another point of resistor should be connected to Raspberry Pi, and next point of our LED should be connected directly to the ground. So you can see at the back end this circuit is designed. So you can develop this circuit by your own on breadboard also, or on 0 PCB. So first I connect the VCC pin, first I connect the ground pin of this red LED circuit to common ground pin. So this is the common ground pin, so I will connect here. So I will take one pin, and this pin should be connected to common ground pin. Now the next part is you have to connect the common VCC pin, output pin of LED to Arduino pin. So LED output pin, that is this number pin, should be connected to 12 number pin of Arduino. So connect this pin to 12 number pin of Arduino. Okay, in this way the LED part also completed. Now the next part is GSM module. So basically I have used a GSM 900A. You can purchase this GSM from the Amazon or from the Flipkart. So basically at this point there are many pins of GSM, but we will use only ground pin and the RX pin of the GSM. So first connect the common ground pin to ground pin of Arduino. So I will take the ground pin this, and the Arduino there is again ground pin on the breadboard. On Arduino board also I will connect here directly to the ground pin, second ground pin. Now the next pin is RX pin of the GSM module, because Arduino send the data to the GSM module when we want to send a SMS. So that RX pin of the GSM module, this is the RX pin of GSM module, should be connected to TX pin of Arduino. So TX pin of Arduino is one number pin of Arduino. This GSM model is SIM 900A, and that SIM 900A should require the 12 volt 1 ampere power supply. So you should buy 12 volt 1 ampere power adapter externally, and only give the 12 volt power ampere adapter pin here, and then connect your adapter to your main power supply. You should not connect the VCC pin of this SIM 900A to Arduino pin. Only connect the ground pin of SIM 900A to Arduino pin, and RX pin of SIM 900A to Arduino TX pin. So that is the only part. So yeah, so in this way we have completed the circuit connection of our project. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please watch it again and you will definitely understand what I did. Now we will see how to upload the project on Arduino software. So first you have to download this project from my Google Drive link. Once you download this project on my Google Drive link, then you have to install the Arduino software in your laptop by using this video. So once you install the Arduino software, just double click on this project. So once you double click on this project, this file will be open, and once you open this file, go to the tool, and once you go to the tool, go to the board, and once you go to the board, select Arduino AVR and select Arduino Uno, and after that select the COM port as a COM port Arduino Uno. So once you select the COM port, just click on this upload button. So once you click on this upload button, the whatever the code, the X file start getting uploaded on the Arduino hardware, and once it's uploaded on the Arduino hardware, you can see done uploading symbol or message you will present, and then your project start working. If you follow my complete hardware connection and the complete instruction, then definitely this project will be work.